Hey there, fellow humans. Paul Sochek here, coming to you not from the set of iRobot, but from right here at Delta Technology, where the robots don't want to destroy humanity, they just want to help automate your process with precision and speed. Let's be honest, Hollywood has done automation zero favors. In the movies, robots are either quirky sidekicks or world-ending machines. There's not a lot of middle ground. But in the real world, the robots we build and integrate aren't dramatic, they're dependable. They're stacking boxes, assembling parts, and keeping production lines moving when people can't or frankly don't want to. What's really wild is that actual automation is way cooler than movie fiction because it solves real-world problems. Manufacturers are struggling with labor shortages, rising costs, and the need to get products out faster than ever. That's where we come in. Delta's automation systems are designed to boost productivity, reduce errors, and keep your team focused on the high-value work that humans are great at. Here's the bottom line truth. Automation isn't replacing people, it's empowering them. No one dreams of a career lifting 40-pound boxes 9 hours a day. Our systems take on the dull, dirty, dangerous tasks and let people do what they're actually good at, solving problems, innovating, and driving your business forward. So next time you see a dramatic robot headline or movie trailer of the uprising of the machines, just remember, real robots are here to help. And at Delta Technology, we're proud to be building the smart, practical tools that are shaping the future of American manufacturing. No smoke, no drama, just good, efficient productivity. Take that, Hollywood. Until next time, keep innovating, stay curious, and let's build the future right here in the US of A. With a little help from automation and a whole lot of Delta technology.